Hey guys, this is Smarter 2 here. So this is Suzuki Swift 207 Maruti, and the person who built this car seriously has serious anger issues. So pardon me, I'm trying to replace the swivel link bush. Look at that. Look at where that thing is. Look at where that thing is. Seriously, you cannot take the swivel link bush without dismantling the freaking cross member, because there is literally, I can't even fit my hands through there to get to that thing. I can't even fit my hands from either direction. No space. Whoever built this car has serious anger issues. I mean, swivel link bushes are supposed to be replaced, and the things that are replaced constantly, like just like the bush for the control arm, the lower wishbone. Seriously, trying to replace that bush, and I can't do this thing on my driveway. I'm trying to do it outside my house, but I can't because I don't know. Whoever did that, serious anger issues for the engineers of Suzuki Swift 207. I hope the new models are better off than this one. Damn, let me try. I'll update you if I succeed. Wish me luck.